Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, as long as you love tractors, tools, and trucks, a little bit of DIY action, a little bit of Jeeps, a little bit of off-roading, and everything in between to include a little bit of kayaking, you have come by the right channel. Make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. 2021 is rolling into 2022, and let's start this new ride. Welcome back to the channel. John here with Start Building Your Dreams. Bear's over here. He was being super annoying. Hopefully he doesn't bark too much. I told him to sit. He's sitting at the chair. So today we've got for you a Dewalt 20 volt tripod light. This is 3000 lumens. This is also water resistant up to IP55 standards. Like many Dewalt tools, you know, you could be out there working in the rain and get rained on the job site. And this it's guaranteed tough by Dewalt. This is a DCL079B light. You guys are going to get to see it opened as I get to see it, and we're going to use our trusty Dewalt knife to open it up today. And we'll test it out and let you guys tell me what you think. So we're just going to cut a little bit of tape here, cut the tape there, and I've been looking at these for quite a while. Now these lights are not cheap. This is a Bear tool, so it's on the upper end of Bear tools. The great thing about this light is it actually extends up to 7 feet in reach. So if you're painting and you want to get up close and personal to where your project is, it does not come with a battery and it does not come with a charger. So there's some extra cardboard in here, and basically the whole assembly only weighs 16 pounds. That may be heavy for some of you and may be light for others. So here we go at the light. So this is actually pretty cool. Let me go grab a battery and we'll get started. I went and grabbed a 4 amp hour battery. We're going to test it out, and we got 2 bars on here, so it's not going to last the longest. But all you have to do is take your battery like such, slide it in, and I'm pretty sure this looks like you could use up to a 9 amp hour battery if you wanted to. So it's got this cool little trigger here. You open that up, and I guess you just, oh, that's cool. Look at that. Pull that, slides down, and now you've got your tripod. It's got an easy one touch here. Oh, that's bright. That is super bright. So looks like we got 3 different settings. You got 2 little latches here where it can open up and extend up. Wow, that's off camera. And say we wanted to point this down at our workpiece. Y'all are about to get blinded. So there's 1, 2, 3. So it's got 3 different lighting settings. And so what we'll do is we'll turn out the lights for a minute and let you guys see how bright this thing is. All right, now it's completely dark in here, and so we will turn the light on. So there's 1 touch. So that's super bright right there. There's 2. There's 3. There's off. Lower this back down, and we'll see if we can light Bear up. See if we can take a picture of Bear. Hey Bear, say hi. All right, turn it down a little bit so he's not completely blind. You can point it up at your work area. You can adjust your brightness, and you can lower it back down. And if you just want to use it for an area light, Luke, I am your father. Anyway, you can definitely see this is a pretty bright light. All right, so I guess on the video camera you can see the flickering of the light. I don't notice it at all with the naked eye, but you can clearly see it in the video. So with that being said, this is a pretty cool little light. It's got 3 different settings, and so all you have to do is lower it down, lock these in, pick it up like a bazooka or something, and slide that together. All right. And then you can load that up in your truck and go where you need to go. One more time, let's check this light out. So once again, extend your tripod, set it down. Nice DeWalt labeling there. It's pretty heavy duty. You come over here to the top handle side and grab your light. You can extend it out. That's pretty tall. So here I am in the shot. Here's me, 6'1", 6'2" with boots on, and I've got my light up here. So we're gonna go ahead and flip that straight up. Oh man, that's bright. If you want to see how bright it is behind me, 1, 2, there's off. So as you can see, that is super bright, it's pointed, and if you were painting or whatever you want to do, and never mind the bugs in the corners, but yeah, pretty cool little light. I think I will definitely put this to use on projects in the future. Real easy. It almost closes itself up. It is super bright though, so pour it down. Once again, just grab it 2 hands, slide together. So there's your 1-hand carry, 16 pounds. Add the battery in there. Set it down, click, click, slide up. Point at your workpiece and hit your button. Bam. So leave a comment below, tell me what you like and don't like about this light if you've got one out there and you've been using it for a while. Make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and keep coming back for more. Once again, you guys get to come along for the ride, watch me build my dream, but the true purpose of this channel is to motivate, inspire, and help you guys get out there and start building your dreams.